Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this impossible ring filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on this search button and search for impossible ring. Okay, the first one, yeah, this is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, so this is the effect. To use this effect, what you have to do, first of all, make sure you are in 60 seconds. Then you have to tap on this record button. Then you have to tap on the screen to release the ball. Okay, let's start recording. Okay, so this was the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for impossible ring filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect, or you can tap on any of this video.
I honestly don't know.
On the bottom left corner of the video, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page. What you can do? Let me go back.
I don't know why I would ever try.
Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on use this effect at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. Select 60 seconds. Tap on the record button. Okay, release when you're ready. Okay, release when you're ready. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.